Hello, it's your boy, it's Cheyenne TGM, and today I'm playing Happy Wheel. Yeah, you all know this game. Happy Wheel, Happy Wheel, Happy Wheel, Happy Wheel. Oops. Whoa. Wow. Wow, wow. Great! Wow, you're a rider! Boom! Great! Great! Okay. Hey! Let's go. This is your heart. Let's see what happens. Let's check the level. This is shit. Okay. Oh, we have to go over there, but how we will jump right now? No. Okay, I will go right there. I'm gonna just. Oh, whoa, whoa. Eddie, Eddie, what are you doing? Sorry, Stan. Sorry. Yeah, shamalama, dumalama, shumalama. Oh my god, this is so hard. Is there this kind of mine or something? We'll win right now. Damn it. Oh, oh no! Oh my god! Oh, oh! God. Oh, I don't think I can complete this one. No, son. Yes, good sign. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Yeah, 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 yeah. Like this. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Shit. Sorry for that. Bye. I don't know who was that. Hey, what are you doing? You're slapping butts. Hey, hey, where's your head, son? I told you to see. Oh, oh. Crashing. Everyone, right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up, I need you, I need you, I need you right now. What? Oh, this is shit. This is the hardest level I've ever played. Oh. No! Oh, I only have one hand now. Oh. What? What? What's this? It's my intestine. Wow. So beautiful intestine. Intestine. Yeah. Hey, I'm coming. It's all going because of happy. Crashing. Here was. Oh, where are you going? Check you anywhere. I love you. I love you too. I